But for the time being, let's quickly head across to Anuj and figure out what he's making of the setup. Anuj, morning, a brand new week. All-time highs?
Morning, Surabhi. Practically there, right? Sensex hit that on Friday itself, and the Nifty was just a couple of, a few points away. So that's more or less given. But what last week has told you is that this is a market in which those who have stayed invested and have actually bought the dips got rewarded handsomely. Just look at, I'm sure you've discussed this already, but what happened on June 3rd and 4th. June 3rd, when FIs actually bought 6,600 crore, retail actually was booking profit on that day. And on June 4th, when FIs sold 12,000 crore, actually retail bought 21,000 crores. So it also puts to bed the theory that, some FIs perhaps had information about the exit poll, etc. So that I think is quite interesting because retail plus HNI actually sold in the exit poll rally and bought on the day the market actually crashed. Now coming to the setup, one very interesting thing is the FI long short ratio because that's the kind of data that moves the market on a day-to-day basis. On Friday, 64,000 longs were added and 29,000 shorts were cut, but we're still net short as far as the overall positions are concerned. Of course, we are not as short as we were on the day of the numbers. That day we were 3.5 lakh short. The next split, please. And now we are 1,92,000 short. So obviously it's come up, and from 12.75 we are now at 30%. But perhaps there's still some more scope for short covering. I think that's more on the Bank Nifty than the Nifty because we've seen quite a bit of buying in Nifty, not as much in the Bank Nifty. In terms of levels to watch on the Nifty, the first support is 23,000 to 23,100, and then the bigger support 22,800 to 22,900. Resistance on the upside, first the all-time high of 23,338 thereabout, and then of course based on the options data 23,450 to 23,516. The Bank Nifty, as I said, there's still some differential and still some shorts in the Bank Nifty. 1,300 point away from all-time high. Is it possible that it fills the differential this week? Maybe it does. In terms of levels to watch, 49,450 to 49,550, and then 49,000 to 49,100 in terms of support. On the upside, 50,400 to 50,500 based on options, and then the all-time high of 51,000 to 51,150. I'll leave you with the quote of the day and from the legendary Muhammad Ali. Don't count the days, make the days count. I've taken it earlier, maybe I have, but it's just one of those quotes that I really like.
Okay, fair enough. And it's a good quote, so why not hear it again, even if that's so. Anuj, thank you very much for joining in. You have a good day.